Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to make basic transition videos on TikTok. If you want to enhance your video quality and look more professional or more better in your videos and you want to get more views, then making transition videos will help you guys to make more views. So I'll be showing you guys how can you do that. Go ahead and open your TikTok app, and then go ahead and click on the plus button right over here. And now what you're gonna do is go on 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 minutes or 60 seconds, whichever you want, but you won't be able to do transition videos on photo mode or text mode. What you're gonna do is, first of all, film your first clip however you want. Then what you're again gonna do is you can change angles or change your look or do whatever fun things or activities you wanna do to show a smooth transition. You can either place your hands before on the last moment of the first clip, and then in the last clip or the another clip, what you're gonna do is just like the first clip, you'll have to place your hand in your camera, and then when you're starting, slowly remove your hand from the camera, and there you go. Stop whenever you want and your transition video will be ready. So you guys can make a clean, smooth transition video. I hope this video helped you guys on making a transition video. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.